Hi guys, this is Shak from Shak's Hacks and welcome to my channel. Before I start the review, please support my channel by hitting the subscribe button below so I can continue to bring you the best and latest gadgets reviews. Today in my review I have the Owltron security camera. In this video I'll be giving you a detailed overview of this device, including its features, performance and overall value for money. The market nowadays seems to be full of different kinds of home security cameras, so it's very easy to get confused on which camera is best to buy. If you're looking to buy one, the most important things to look out for are good quality picture, of course day and night. This is down to the quality of the CMOS lens and the infrared LED lights. You will need good connectivity and stable Wi-Fi connection, dedicated app, simple interface, build quality, local storage and cloud storage, and finally affordable price. These are not the only things to look out for, but these are the most important things. Everything else is good to have but not important, including a resolution of at least 1080p, wide angle lens, motion detection, motion tracking, rotating camera, built-in mics and speakers. Now the Owltron cameras provide all of these specs in an affordable price. It's also worth mentioning their customer service support, which is available directly through the app. Today I'll be reviewing these two models here, one that rotates 360 degrees and one that is fixed but you can manually adjust the direction. They both have built-in mics and speakers and you can access them both on the same app. Let's start our review with the unboxing, then we'll dig deep into the specs, sound and video tests.
Yeah.
So firstly, let's talk about the design and build quality of the Owltron security camera. The camera is made from high quality materials and has a sleek modern design that looks great in any home or office. The camera itself is small and unobtrusive, making it easy to place in a room without it being too noticeable. Moving on to the features of the Owltron security camera. This device is packed with useful functionality. It features 1080p Full HD video resolution, which provides crystal clear footage that is easy to view and analyze. The camera also has a 120-degree field of view, which means that it can capture a wide area of any room it's placed in. This makes it ideal for monitoring larger spaces like living rooms or offices. In terms of night vision, the Owltron security camera does an excellent job. It has a built-in infrared LEDs that provide clear visibility even in complete darkness. This means that you can keep an eye on your property 24/7, no matter what time of the day or night it is. One of the standout features of the Owltron security camera is its motion detection technology. The camera can detect motion up to 33 feet away, and it will send an alert to your smartphone or when it detects movement. This is incredibly useful if you want to monitor your property while you're away, or if you want to keep an eye on your children or pets while you're at work. Another feature that sets the Owltron security camera apart from other security cameras on the market is its two-way audio. This means that you can communicate with anyone in your room through the camera's built-in microphone and speaker. This is useful if you want to talk to your children or pets, or if you want to scare off any intruder. Here in the next video, I'm just going to test the sound quality of the cameras.
Alright guys, now I'm going to test the microphone on the camera, so hopefully you'll be able to hear me clearly. I'm also going to use this camera to keep an eye on my pet, and hopefully while I'm working I'll be able to talk to him just to make sure that he's alright and he's not feeling lonely. Mike is already keeping me company here. So hopefully using the camera I'll be able to stay in touch with him and make sure he's alright. Also, I just wanted to show that the camera quality is very good compared to some others that I've used in the past. I'm going to show you that the colors are true. So this is some kind of dark red, and this is yellow and has got some green on it as well. I also have a red case, and hopefully you'll be able to see that it's a true red.
Setting up the Owltron security camera is incredibly easy. It comes with a simple, user-friendly app that you can download to your smartphone. From there you can control the camera, view live footage and access other useful features. Here in the next video I'm going to demonstrate just that. So now we'll move on to the Owltron app. I've already downloaded it. So now I'm just going to add the device. So I can click on add. It's asking you for permissions. Click continue. Now let's just select which camera it is. Here I'm going to select cam W1. Confirm indicator is blinking. Press next. Okay, so you just select your Wi-Fi and then you type your password. Right here is just warning you that it may not work in 5G connection. So I'm just going to go to carry on. Now it's asking me to scan the barcode. And the camera is already connected now. So I'm going to click done. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to point it upwards to my face. Okay, there I am. Hello. So on the app, we've got motion tracking. Which is quite good. So it's following me. And it's doing a great job because most of the screen is covered by my lights and my camera. And it's still following me. There are lots of options on the app here. From left to right, we've got playback, gallery, theme color, private mode, night mode, device, volume, motion tracking, motion detection. We also have sound detection, patrol, siren, and edit. Now I'm just going to connect the second camera, cam T1. To be honest, it's impressive. Very impressive. I'll take the cameras to other locations so you can get a good idea on the picture quality. Let's put this one on night mode. And as you can see, it is quite good still. Here I've taken the camera to the conservatory. It's recording through a glass window. And it's been raining, so there are some raindrops on the window as well, just to be aware. Here I'm also going to show you that the camera can do 360-degree rotation. Overall, I would highly recommend the Owltron security camera to anyone looking for a reliable, high quality security camera that won't break the bank. With its impressive features, easy setup and affordable price point, it's great investment for anyone looking to improve the security of their home or office. This brings us to the end of the video. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you again in the next video. Bye!